Hello everyone. As a part of data science and business analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation, I hereby came up with the task 4 exploratory data analysis in terrorism dataset. To perform exploratory data analysis on dataset global terrorism. The global terrorism dataset has been given in this link. Then we need to find the hot zones of terrorism. So from this global terrorism dataset, we need to find the hot zones of terrorism and what are all security issues and insights you can derive from EDA. Let's move on to the code. I have imported all the libraries needed for the project. These are the libraries we need for project and mounted the Google Drive. From the Google Drive, we are going to get the data set. So I have give the location as drive, my drive, grip, global terrorism db.csv. This is the file name of the CSV file, and I have encoded to ISO 8859-1 and read at the first 10 column, sorry, first 10 rows of the dataset. Okay, from 0 to 9. After that, I have read the shape of the dataset. In that, 181691 rows are there and 135 columns are present in the dataset. And info of is nothing but it will give the info of the dataset, such as memory usage, data types inside, columns, and the range index. Then I have created a correlation table, which means it will compare with the event ID and event ID with the given columns. Then I have printed all the columns with the columns function. Index event ID from related. The last column is related. Data type is object and length of the columns are 135. That means 0 to 134 columns. Okay, I am renaming particular columns, that is I equal to year, I month equal to month, and closing the set comma in place equal to true. It means it cannot be rechanged. Particular number of columns for processing the data. Using head tag, we have printed the revised data set, and additional function is used to show the null values present in every column. In the year column, we have 0 null values. As the columns present here, so it have calculated the null values. In state column, we have 421 null values. Info of is nothing but to show the info of every columns present in the above tag. In the year column, we have 181691 non-null values. It is of the data type in64. Then we are going to extract the most attacked country from the above data set. So most attacked country is equal to dataset variable name stored inside the square braces. The attribute we are going to find and dot value underscore counts of is the number of counts dot idx max. Idx max is the function used to get the most attacked country. In the most attacked city, we have some unknown values, so we have used index of 1. Index of 1 also print the most attacked values. Then in most attacked region, I have changed the city region. Then IDS max because it has no null values. So IDS max is the function. Most attacked gang, we have index of 1 because we have some null values on the gang column. Then I have printed the total number of people killed by terror attacks using these two lines. Number of people killed 4,11,868. Then I am going to compare the kill data with every country data. So I have created this code. Then I am going to show it in a pivot table. To show the comparison between country data and killed data, I have created a pivot table. So according to the Afghanistan country, we have 39384 kills, and Albania country for only 42 kills. Then I have created a bar graph which will compare the number of attacks each year, and attack year. So in 1970 we have uh, less than 2000 kills, and uh, in recent years we have many number of attacks in every country. Then I have calculated the number of terror attacks in each countries step by step. uh, in this Dominican Republic it less when compared to Mexico. Philippines have more number of attacks when compared to Mexico, and Greece have less attacks when compared to Philippines. That way I have calculated the this bar graph. Then this is the simple graph which compares the number of attacks and the number of terrorist activities by region in each year. Then we have calculated country dot value underscore code top 10 country attacks, and next to Iraq we have Pakistan 14,368 terror attacks. Then next we have Afghanistan which has 12,731 attacks, and next compared to the top three, then we have India with 11,960 terror attacks. Then I have created a subplot showing the top countries affected by the terror attacks, country's name and top countries affected using this bar graph. Then I have calculated top gangs inside this data set using uh, variable name dot gang dot value underscore counts 1 to 5, because 0 we have unknown values, so I have omitted the 0 and printing the 1 to 5th. So we have first Taliban, ISIL, Islamic State of Iraq and the Levant, signing for Fabardo Marty National Liberation Front. Then I have compared the gang most one, which is Taliban. Isin is nothing but the calculating the particular value of topmost gangs, then comparing to countries. So using this, Taliban has more attacks on Afghanistan, Pakistan, Turkmenistan. Then the gang was region attacks. This is country attacks, region attacks. South Asia, Central Asia. City unknown means I have already told some non-zero and zero values are present in the city column. So unknown is zero value, and Kandahar, Kabul is the cities attacked by the gang most one, that is Taliban. Then we have calculated for gang most two, Islamic State of Iraq and the Levant. Likewise, we have calculated for the top three gang most attacks. In this, then getting top three gang names in world, checking the attacked region of the top three gang. Gang 1 have attacked the South Asia and Central Asia part, and Gang 2 have attacked the Middle East, North Africa, Western Europe, Sub-Saharan Africa, Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, Central Asia, and many more. And Gang 3 have attacked the America part, that is South America, North America. Uh, then we are going to compare the attack data with the number of kills. So attack type is nothing but the bombing, explosions, and assassin, armed assault. I have showed in a pie graph. Yeah. Then after this pie graph, we can compare this. Armed assault is 38.9. Here we have legends also here. armed assault 38.9 percentage, and bombing and explosion 38.2 percentage, which will called bombing and explosion assassination. Most attacking gang Taliban, ISIL, and Shining Path. These are the descriptions of the top three gangs. I have concluded that top attack region Middle East and North Africa. On basics of gang attack, both Taliban and ISIL attacked this region. Then top city attacked Baghdad, capital of Iraq. Top affected countries Iraq, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Colombia. From this, I have concluded that these are the hot zones of the terrorist attacks from the global terrorism dataset. Thank you.